Buying AirPods with Apple gift card. In today's video, you are going to learn how to buy AirPods with Apple gift card. So let's get started. First, you need to know that you have to be with your MasterCard to buy anything from Apple Store, online or physically. The card will look something like this. Then you have to go to your App Store and here you have to add your redeem gift card option. Then you have to click on this profile option and you will be redirected to another screen. From here you have to click on redeem gift card or code option. Now it will give you two options. The one is you can use camera. You have to put your card in front of the camera and all the details of the card will be added automatically here. Or the other option is you can also enter your code manually. After setting up your card, you have to go to the payment section in online and selecting Apple gift card as your option, or you can go to the store and you can just add your code here, and that's how you will be able to buy AirPods with Apple gift card. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.